Alright guys, so I got a 2022 Toyota Highlander. We're gonna pull it in for a 6-year ceramic coating, and we're also gonna be protecting the glass with a 2-year glass coating. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to press that alert button for whenever our next videos pop up. Alright guys, so what we're doing now with the 2022 Highlander is I got the crew decontaminating it. When we decontaminate, first we run the iron remover, then we go to a more an aggressive way, which is the clay bar. Please note the clay bars do, depending on the type of aggressiveness of the clay bar, if that makes sense, will determine if you will mar the car or end up putting in some micro scratches. So usually what we do after we're done clay bar in the vehicle, we do the multi-stage buff and polish, which will remove 80 to 95% of all paint imperfections. So continue watching the video, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. So we got the 2022 Toyota Highlander. We're going to be testing out 2 products. Because this vehicle is new, we don't have to do any aggressive polishing, so we're going to try CSI D1, which is a cutting polish, but it can also act as a finishing. And then we got the Roops DA Fine. So we're going to test it out, see which ones will give the best results. Because we're not doing any heavy cutting, we're going to do some light polishing, brightening up that clear coat, making this pearl white bounce and reflect off the sun and making it super shiny. We're polishing the 2022 Toyota Highlander. We're using CSI D1 polish enhancement. We're going to brighten up the clear coat, and then from there start applying the ceramic coating. But for now, let's finish up polishing, and from there we'll get into the ceramic coating when it's complete. don't forget to like and subscribe. Check down below in the description to see all our social media links, or if you want to schedule your appointment and you're located in the Guam area, give us a call, send us an email, and I'll be happy to get your vehicle in for ceramic coating.